Welcome back. Good morning, guys. Actually, it's afternoon. It's 4 right now. So there is this setup that I've seen on Audcad, and I've taken a buy, as you can see. And as you can see, my risk ratio is proper. I'm not over risking. I'm not. It's good. It's good based on the account size. So that's how I do. I scale in. Once the market move in my direction, then I start scaling in. So I want to explain something here. So where is this guy? This one. So as you can see, the market was coming down, okay, and it broke structure here. So I know what many people started doing. They started selling here, which is okay because they made money if their target was around here. But for me, I look at long term. As you can see, this market has been moving up, down, up, down, up, down. You see the market is going up. So you see, if even from here, you see this double bottom here, this bottom, this double, this was the neckline. The market broke, gave us a pullback, broke again, pullback, went up, down, went up. Now we are getting this, because the market needs to give you a decent pullback. It needs to breathe before it continues going up. So if I go on daily, you can see we are on a very, very, very bullish trend. You see, so that's why I'm buying. And if we break above this neckline here, you see this. Okay, let me explain something. Some people are saying this is a head and shoulder because, as you can see, there is this shoulder here, this head here, and this right shoulder, and then this is the neckline. Okay, ni sawa, they could be right, but based on this momentum, as you can see, this momentum, that's why I'm buying. But we'll see. So for me, I'm pushing up. I want to go with the trend. I don't want to trade against the trend. So if we break this resistance here, the blue line, I'll continue stacking up more positions towards the upside. So we'll see, because let me just show you one more thing. If I go on weekly, you see this rejection here. You see the way the market is pushing. You see these bullish candles. There's a lot of momentum to the upside. So on my TP will be around this 93,000. In fact, that's what I should put that. So put this one first, or modify. Then I put 0.93000. So that's my TP. I'll put the rest. I'll add the rest. Yeah, so yeah, that's where my TP is, TP1. So I'll continue adding until we get to this level. If we break, that's another story. But at least the market, I want the market to give us a retest of this high before anything else. So if I go back on my daily, if I go back on H4, currently that is how the market is looking. So currently, let's see. That's the account size. That's the lot size I've put. We'll see. And today I took a loss anyway. It's good I show you. I tried selling Euro AUD. As you can see, everything is here. I tried selling, and as you can see, I closed with loss. A loss of 4,800, $48. So it is what it is. That's how the market, sometimes you need to cut your losses and, change your mindset based on, you need to adapt on what the market is doing. So currently, we'll see. I'll keep you posted. So welcome, guys. Welcome back. So let me go on daily. This is day two, and we are still bullish on Audcad. The market will continue pushing up. However, we have this resistance here, as you can see. Let me put it like that. Yeah, you see we have this resistance here. So we need to close above this to continue with our profits. Like you can see, I'm holding. I'm not a scalper, guys. I'm a long-term trader. I'm a swing trader. So I like swinging. I don't like getting in and out, because, it will mess up my... I'm used to long-term trade. So we have this resistance, and I am convinced the market will continue pushing up because, on these higher time frames, you can see this is a bullish market. So if I go back on H4, we have this resistance here. So what could happen? You could see, like you see there was this big drop, and then the market broke structure, came back in. So we might see another drop here, and then breaking up, forming what? An inverse head and shoulder. So even though you didn't get an entry, you can wait for this drop. If it comes down here, you add or you enter, and then the market will continue pushing up, hopefully. hopefully. So because we have to clear these guys here, you know, there is resistance here. If we clear it, it will be good. If not, we can see something like this. It can break, okay, and then decide to retest here. So here's your entry will be here, and then the market might continue pushing up to at least this level. Then from there, if the market wants to drop, it can drop. We will update once we get there. We'll see what happens. For now, the market is still pushing up. So that being said, we should start booking profits, you know, kidogo, because you know, if the market gives you, you take what the market gives you. So we'll also close this one, close position, because the aim is to grow the account, guys. The aim is to grow the account. It's not to be right. The aim is to grow the account, you know, because remember yesterday I showed you the losses that I made. So which other one will I close? Let me see AUD USD. Let's see AUD USD. Yeah, as you can see, it's pushing up. Like I told you guys, it will. No, this one I didn't even tell you. This one I didn't tell you. This one I entered yesterday at night. The reason that made me enter is because I saw a double bottom on this pair. You see this double bottom here, this and this. So I knew the market will push up. So I waited for this bullish confirmation, this candle here, which now I entered here, and then as it can see, it's pushing up. So this one, if I go on daily, let me see on daily what we see. We are facing some resistance here. As you can see, there is resistance here. So this market might, even here, you see here, it has already broken that resistance. So if it closes like that on today, then it will be a good sign, because it can retest the next day and then continue pushing up to here. Then from here I'll start taking my TP, because from here anything can happen, you know, anything can happen. So we are not sure. So we wait. So what I can do, I'll take partial profits. You can see this AUDUSD, I can close half of it. So say close position, and then I'll close half of it. So that is half, that is $49, $50 actually. I close like that, so that I leave the other half. As you can see, you see now it is 0.10. So even this AUD card, I'll close half of it. I will close half of it. So I'll come here, say close position, and then I'll close half of it, which is $33. Close that one. So now either way we are safe. So now, yes, as you can see, now what I normally do, I bring my stop loss to break even. That way, even if the market decides to, like, you know, drop down, at least my account will be safe. So what I'll do, I'll bring my stops to break even here, or at least I bring them, because they're below somewhere, I'll bring them around this area here. So that's what I'll do. However, let's see how what we've made today. So if I come here on history, so if I come here, so if I click on history, you can see if I click today I've made $138. Hiyo ndio poa, that is 13,800 Kenyan shillings. So it's good money for today. Even though there is this swap, it's okay, it's normal. So hiyo ni sawa, it's not a big deal. So yeah, so let's see if the market continue pushing up. That's what we want. So if I go back to AUD card, yeah, the market is, as you can see, we have this resistance here above here. So I'll start putting my stops to break even, just in case, but I'll wait and see the candles that will print around this area, so that I'll want to add more if the market, you know, if the market does not break up. If it breaks up, it's good. From here I'll start adding some more. So I don't want to make a long video, I'll keep you updating. So let's see, currently that is what is running. We are making money, the account is growing. The aim is to grow the account. So that being said, I'll update you. Let's wait and see tomorrow, see what it will show.